Now back to this MSI MS-6337 LE5. It's also 815 EPT Pro version 5. So I'm installing new battery. And now we need to put that CPU back. So that's 600 Celeron. This actually support 2-10 chip. It's very advanced for Socket 370 chip. So it's like one gigahertz and up, I think up to 1.4. Okay, we just installed the fan. Okay, fan is attached. We'll put the memory. Okay, memory is locked in. So, power supply, keyboard. I just want to do simple post test. Here's the video card. What else? I will see if the CMOS will hold the date. So I'm turning it on with that jumper. Okay, board coming up. Okay, we see the post. Now we just press tab. Okay, tab. Going to setup. We'll just set up the date. Okay, February 10, 2026. Time is 8:43. So it's 23. Okay, we'll just do F10. Save it. And probably just need to shut it down. Not sure I have to hold it, or I think it should be enough to save it if battery is good, so I don't remember. Okay, well, I will turn it off and probably gonna try again. We'll see in a few seconds. Again, that jumper. Now we're gonna go to CMOS. Delete. Okay, well, date stays, so probably need more testing, but this is hopefully that was the solution. So we'll just turn it off, and that's the conclusion of post test. So we'll do some more later.